In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add text size shortcut to your iPhone control center right here. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings. Then scroll down a bit and tap at Control Center. And then at More Controls you need to find text size shortcut, and then all you have to do in order to add it to the control center is just tap at the plus sign next to it, and what that will do, that will move that shortcut to included controls, and that actually means that text size shortcut has already been added to the control center. We can easily check that by swiping down from the top right corner, and now right here we can easily find text size shortcut. Now we can tap on it, and then by dragging it up or down we can change text size on our device. Also, in here, we can change the order of control center shortcuts simply by dragging them up or down in that way, and that will also change the order of shortcuts right here at the control center. As you can see, text size shortcut is now located at the second position. Also, if we want to remove a shortcut from the control center, we can easily do so by tapping at the minus sign next to shortcut's name, and then all we have to do is just hit at remove. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.